I mean, I couldn't eat right, my mouth was hurting, and my teeth were breaking off. I had to do something fast. My name is Ricky Benjamin. I'm from Los Angeles, California. My dental struggle started 3 years ago when it got really bad. My teeth were breaking off. I couldn't eat right. I was having dental pain. The turning point for me to seek a solution for my dental health, I wasn't able to chew food, and it was my mouth was hurting.
What bothered him most is that he basically had no teeth to chew on except those few lower front teeth, and he wanted something that can last him a long time and to be teeth that stay in his mouth and he can chew with.
I did shop around and did some research. I came to Dr. Zadeh, and he's really personable, he's really upfront. I felt a connection. And other places I didn't like their product. I didn't like the way they treated me. It's like a family here. They really encourage each other. You know, ever since I've been here, the same team has been here, and they back each other. They cater to their patients. They tell you step by step what's going to go through and how it's going to come out.
We recommended removal of the remaining teeth and placement of 4 to 6 implants. And then we recommended a fridge, which is a friction grip bridge. Ricky, like many others, when they come in, they're not confident to smile. Once they get this work done, suddenly they're, big white smile, and they talk loudly, and they'll be more animated, and yeah, it's a different person, obviously.
When the moment I saw my smile, I wanted to cry. Things I can do now, I can eat, I can chew steak, I can eat nuts. I love nuts. I smile more. I will recommend Dr. Zadeh to anybody because he's warm, he's good, he's confident, he knows what he's talking about, and he makes you feel at home. Anyone hesitant about getting implants, you have to experience it because you have a better life, you have more confidence, you can eat better. My life has changed immensely since I got the implants. My name is Ricky Benjamin. I love my smile today from Parsha Zadeh Dentistry.